Hello students, how are you all? So today we will study the chapter 10 of our English literature book, that is A Brave Mother. So students, this is the story of a mother who saved his child. So how does she do it? Let's see. In a small but cozy little flat lived Mr. and Mrs. Khan. They lived there with their small son, who was only 5 months old, and a daughter who is 6 years old. The Jones lived next door. They were a pleasant couple. Pleasant couple means they were lovely couple. They were very friendly with Mr. and Mrs. Khan. Often after finishing all her household work, Mrs. Jones would walk over to Mrs. Khan's flat for a chat and to share some gossip. Or Mrs. Khan would go over and she would share some of the mouth-watering recipe with Mrs. Jones. So Mr. and Mrs. Jones have two children, a girl who was 7 years old and a boy just 2 years old. Their daughter would go to a same school by the school bus. So student, here are two families. They have a small little family. Both of them have children, like Mr. and Mrs. Khan has a small son and a daughter who is 6 years old. And there is Mr. Jones who also have a children, means they have daughters and a boy. They both go to schools with the same bus. So as we can see here, there is a picture over here of both the families. Mrs. Khan was very sociable and charming lady. She loved her children greatly. While her daughter would go to school, she would make use of the time to do all her housework. Since her son was so tiny, she would keep the infant in the trolley chair and fix the strap across his body. So students, Mrs. Khan was very friendly and very beautiful lady. She loved her children very much. After her daughter goes to school, she used the time to finish her household work and also take care of her son who was very small. One day when she was as usual busy in her kitchen, she heard her neighbor's son crying very loudly. She looked out in the window. She saw that he was being attacked by a stray dog. Stray dog matlab dogs, those who are roaming around the roads. In a panic, she rushed out to save the boy. So student, one day when she was working in the kitchen, when she heard some noise, and when she looked out of the window, there was a neighbor's son who was attacked by a stray dog. So she, in fear, ran to save the. So students, as you can see in the picture, that Mrs. Khan tries to save the boy from the stray dog. Here is the picture, students, as you can see here. In a hurry, she forgot to take the keys of the front door. It had an automatic lock. It got locked from the inside when she ran out. By the time she chased the dog and brought the boy to his mother, the milk she had left on the stove to boil started burning. After all the milk had burned, the pot started burning. Soon the kitchen was full of smoke. Somebody who saw the smoke coming out of the kitchen window brought it to her notice. She ran to her door, but to her dismay, she found it locked from the inside. So students, in a hurry, she forgot to take the keys of the door, and it has an automatic lock. So the door got locked from inside, and because she was working in the kitchen, she left the milk to boil, and in saving the boy, it was very late. So the milk on the stove started burning, and the pot also started burning. So soon the smoke started coming out of the kitchen, and she ran to her flat, but the door were locked from the inside, and she, in a hurry, she started pushing the door harder and harder. And she started calling the name of her son. The other women also came for the help, but that was not enough. And no men were at home because they all were gone for work. So, students, it was very difficult situation for the woman because she locked her child in the flat, which was started. So, students, she has locked her child in the house, and it was started burning, and now she has to save her child. So, let's see how she does it. Here you can see the pictures that she is trying to save the child. So, let's start. Suddenly, Mrs. Khan's got an idea. She ran to back of the building. She started climbing up the drain pipe of her bathroom. Twice she slipped and fell a third time, but she did not give up. Eventually, with great difficulty, she managed to climb inside her house through the window. Quickly, she rushed into the kitchen and grabbing her son tightly in her arms, she came out. The baby had fainted because of the smoke. So immediately she was rushed to the hospital and given the oxygen. The doctor said that they had just came on time, and had they brought the little boy a little later, nothing could have saved his life. So a brave mother saved her child. So students, Mrs. Khan's got an idea. She ran back to her building and started climbing the pipe of her bathroom, but she slipped twice and also fell third time. But she managed to climb inside the house through the window and quickly grabbed her child and came out of the house. But because of the smoke, the child has been got badly fainted. She immediately rushed to the doctor and was given the oxygen. And the doctor said that they have come on the time, otherwise it was difficult to save the life of the child. This is how a mother saved her son's life. So students, as we can see how her mother saves the child. So now we will see some of the difficult words. Let's see who are they. So first is pleasant, that is cheerful and pleasing. Couple, a pair. Chat, talk casually, gossip. To tell and hear news about things which are not important. Mouth, watering tasty. Recipe, cooked food in a given way. Sociable, friendly nature. Charming, pleasant. Stray, a dog roaming without an owner. Panic, great fear. Chased, hunted away. Dismay, loss of courage due to fear. Eventually, in the end. So students, this is how we have come to the end of the chapter. And if you haven't understood